Oxford reading trick, the duck race. Wilma had an idea. The children made 6 ducks. Let's have a duck race, said Wilma. Mum began the race. Drop the ducks in, said Mum. The ducks went down the stream. Oh no! Wilma's duck sank. Chip's duck got stuck in the reeds. Beef's duck got stuck in the weeds. Wilf's duck got stuck on a log. Get it off with a stick, said Chip. Kipper's duck went fast. It went past Dad's duck. 2 swans flew down. They landed on the ducks. 6 soggy ducks, said Kipper. The end.